Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me. And for joining me on Saturday, I've got a whole host of goodies on my left-hand side to show you. Not cards in the mail though, that's next weekend. This is following on from my team retreat that I had last weekend. But, quick reminder, annual catalogue goes live on the 3rd of May, which is Tuesday. I still have a handful left over, so if you'd like a free copy, let me know. All the details are on my blog. Blog is in the description bar below. Ask font. I can't show you the inside, I can only show you the outside. It's lovely. I love it. Right, so let me show you all these amazing goodies. So, yeah, we had our team retreat last weekend and we gathered at a hotel, a venue up in Birmingham, which was lovely. And my team are amazing. They're just, we know this anyway because I say it quite a lot. And they treated me to all sorts of stuff. So we did have swaps going on, but we also, you know, we love to do all sorts of things together. But so many of them gave me gifts, but actually so many of them gave me gifts for the boys. So I'm going to bring these over. So these are for the boys and for Chris, which is very sweet. And I love these. Aren't they lovely? Little chockies inside. So this is from Sally, lovely Sally Stampers. You can find her on YouTube. So she's put her recipe in here. But there's those for Chris and the children. Oh, they're such little sweethearts, aren't they? So those are from Sally, and they've all got chocolates inside, which is good because, you know, I'm on a diet as ever. And then I have this one here. So these are a mixture of swaps and gifts. And look at this. I love this. These are, whoops, little sweeties inside. And then thank you stickers. How cute are those? So, you know, you might be getting a thank you gift from me with one of those stuck on the outside. But lovely, gorgeous treats. So I'll pop those off to one side. Then I have this one, and it says, "Thankful we are friends." And stuff kept appearing on my desk. I had a table where I sort of store everything. So my notes for the weekend and things I want to do. And it's sort of like, it's the stationery place where I keep stuff. And just stuff was appearing. So I don't know who these are from, all of them. What have I got in here? Oh, ooh, ew, posh candles. Very nice fragrances. So, yeah, so lovely. Thank you, gifts. Like I say, they were just appeared on my table because obviously I spent the weekend walking around chatting to everybody. And oh, Sorrel, let me put you down because, you know, gorgeous as you are. And you've missed me. Okay, how do I get into this one? Oh, I don't know how to get into this one. Oh, this is from Halsey. Seriously, Sorrel. Off you go. So Halsey is on Instagram as Slim and Stylish because that's her surname. S-L-I-M-M. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, I did know about this. This is for Chris and the children too. So, yeah, you'll find her on Instagram and on YouTube as S-L-I-M-M, Slim and Stylish. Like I say, that's her surname, Halsey Slim. Okay, let me move some of these over. And then I've got little, I have no idea what's in this one. This one is, oh, okay, I do know what this is. So this is Sally cashing in vouchers. Look at this. So this, like I say, this is Sally who did those first box goodies. Look at that. I mean, that's an epic, amazing demonstrator to have collected that huge. Oh, actually, there's another one in there as well. That number of vouchers. So I do recognition vouchers for sales, recruiting, for just being amazing and spectacular. Okay, so I've got in here. This one is "You're wonderful in every way, friend." Oh, look at that. It's a rainbow keyring. I'm fairly sure this is from Kay, who is Papercraft Skies. Fairly sure. Like I say, you know, half of them weren't handed to me. They were just appeared. This one is from Jane. So I want to say she's Craft with Jane. It is Craft with Jane. So Jane did a huge inspiration table for us using one of the new sweets, which this one is. It's called Hues of Happiness. And she had this epic, massive display of dozens of projects, and then she gave me this full of all these little rainbow Lindor sweeties, and that's a big version of Sally's Diddy little one. Oh, so good to me. Right, this is one from Tina. So Tina flew over from Germany to join us, and she had this made for me. Look at that. She said she got as close to my rainbow logo as she possibly could. How fabulous is that? Oh, I didn't even know this was inside here. I had a look. Oh, God. So she's had this printed and specially made, and then she's filled it with chocolates. I did not know about that. I opened it and I oohed and ahed and showed everybody this. I didn't realise there were chocolates inside. Oh, they're so naughty. Oh, but isn't that fabulous? Oh, that's going on my... I've got loads of rainbow shelves in this office. Well, that's definitely going up there to be shown. Okay. And then I have this one that came from Lovely Sim. And this, how amazing is this huge, enormous candle? She knows I love candles. It's white gardenia, so it's one of those crackling wood candles. I don't know if you've come across them. So can you see it's got a wooden wick, so when you light it, it crackles like you know, a fireplace would. And they're lovely crackle wicks. I love those. Pop that in there. And I've got another one here, and I have not opened this. So this is from Pat, who was cashing in some vouchers, so I've got those two. So I don't know. Yes, there's a look at this. There's a card in here. She's done me a rainbow card. I'm cashing in a huge pile of vouchers as well. You know, take advantage of not having to post something. And so I need to pop that out. So I need to put that there so I remember to do it. And then this, and I have no idea what's inside here because I haven't opened it, obviously, as you can see. So, oh, I'm going to have to snip that, aren't I? Let me in. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's so sweet. Oh, and she's filled it with Percy pigs as well. How lovely is that? Oh, Pat, thank you. I wish I'd had a chance to open it while I was there. That is just so lovely. Oh, that's going to get used today. I need coffee. I did have another logoed goodie. This is Julie Addison, and she gave me this, which is so sweet. She said, I saw it and I had to get it for you. Oh, look, zoom on me. There you go. I want to zoom in on the flowers. Very pretty. Oh, Julie, you're naughty, and so are you, Pat. Right, so I've got some swaps here. So these are from Tina, who did the big jar, and she gave me some extras for the boys as well. So she did lots of these. And they've got little scissor charms on them, so I can hang them on my scissors in the hopes that the boys don't get hold of them. But I love the fact that we do swaps, and I get the international ones as well. Like, I daren't, oh look, there we go. I daren't try and pronounce that because I will butcher it in my horribly English accent. But they're gorgeous. So let me get some more out here. Okay, so these are from, oh, I don't know who they're from. Who's that with the giant strawberries? I don't know, but thank you. I love the fact that they used my swirl, which is what Sally did as well. She used my stamp set for this. Little sweetheart. Right, this one is also from Pat, and it's homemade shimmer spray. But I don't know how she's made it. And she had coloured versions of it as well. But isn't that clever? So homemade shimmer spray. We had at my last event somebody who made homemade envelope seal, so you could lick it and stick it. But now we've got homemade shimmer spray. How cool is that? Just looking in here for more. This one, oh, I don't know who this one's from. It's going to be inside. So this was a swap. So I think we're into swaps now. I can't show you what I swapped because the swaps I made are being duplicated as thank you goodies. So there is a video coming. Oh, this is Julie as well. So Julie, who gave me this, she also made these teeny tiny little pouches, which are very sweet, with 2 chocolates inside. I might leave those out. I might eat them, you know, blow the diet. It's so cute. How cute is that? And that's my hand. I do have long hands, but that's super cute. Okay, let's get a few more out. So we had some cards. This one is using the same Pierce Bloom. So this is Jill Chapman, who is Paper Daisy Crafting, and she pairs with Jez Carpenter, who's Nigeza, who gave me this one. This one's got a little chocolate inside, I believe. Yes, a yummy chocolate inside. And they do Jill and Jez Goes Crafting. So go and find them on YouTube and on Facebook, because it's hysterical because they do it live. So that's from those two. This one is Crafted Karen Design, so also on YouTube and on Facebook and on Instagram. That's lovely. Look, she used my stamp set too. I love it when they do that. This one is, who's this one from? Pootles Spring Retreat. Donna. So Donna is Taffy Crafting, and Donna did a presentation for us over the weekend and taught a really clever tunnel fold card, and she gave everybody the option of bringing sort of circular or circular or round, circular or square or rectangular dies, and somebody did her tunnel fold with daffodil dies, which was brilliant. So I'm sure she will have her video coming out on YouTube soon. This is from Jackie. So Jackie is up in Scotland and wasn't able to make it, but she posted down to the venue a box of cards and sweeties that she'd made. And so I collected together a box full for her in return, so I'll be posting them to her. But that's so sweet. Even though she couldn't make it, she wanted to be involved. This is Jane. So Jane did these in our big display, and hopefully, because I haven't looked at my photos, I'll be able to add them to the blog post that goes along with this. Yeah, I'll get the pictures up because they were epic. And look at this, she's made us a notebook, but there's a little pocket in there that you could put notes in, or, you know, like receipts and stuff. How lovely is that? Just gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you, Jane. And what else have I got here? A paper hug from me. Oh, and I can't read. I need to put my glasses on to read what that stamp says. I don't know. It looks for all the world like it says from you. I think it actually says for you. So I don't know whose swap this was. But swaps that involve sweeties, always a good thing. My boys have been saying to me, Mum, hurry up and film the video. Hurry up and film the video because they want the sweets. This one is Tilly Crafts. So Karen, so Tilly Crafts, Tilley. Isn't that lovely? That's so pretty. And oh, I have this one from Ashley. So Ashley is Ashley Morrison, and she made these for everybody. Look at that. Pootles April 2022, and that's just gorgeous. So it's like a patch. There you go. Just move her email. That's so sweet, and with chocolates. How fab is that? That's just, I love it. I love it. And it's got a rainbow because she knows me very well. I love that she did that. So everybody had this. I think everybody had Pootlers. I think mine was the only one that had the date on. But seriously, that's commitment. That's amazing. All stitched. And then the outer bit too. Love it. Right, couple more here to share. So we have this one from Halsey. That's super sweet, and she's got instructions that are going to be on YouTube. So that was from her, and the eggs for the boys. And then this last one is from, oh, I got two from Karen. How did I get two from Karen? Ooh, I'm lucky. So this is Crafted Karen Designs, which was this one as well. Oh, maybe this one was to go back to Jackie. I've got two, Karen. I'm a lucky girl. But look at that. The same but different. I hadn't realised I'd got the same but different. But yeah, brilliant. Oh, here comes the cat again. So Yes, they missed me. They were sat on the stairs as I unlocked the front door. My lovely neighbour came and fed them. But yeah, all sorts of amazingness and loveliness and gorgeousness from the remarkably talented team that I have. I take no credit for their talent at all. I take credit for bringing us together for a team event, and that's your lot, because they are amazing and so sweet and lovely. And yeah, you want to be at the next one. I actually, we've already got the date set for the next one, which is in October, and I put an event up in our Facebook group, and I think there's about 40 who've already said they want to come, something like that. But yeah, so if you want to be at the next one, you know where I am. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.